Okay, 5 to go.
We just got
So what do we think? Ooh.
a bunch. We just got a bunch.
So which one?
So let's see.
Which one? Say
Last
stop.
one. Last one.
That one. All right. Yay! Love it. An Alfie common! We have all 3 commons. We have an Alfie, a Juno, and a Comet now. So we have the whole original collection. Nice. What do you think?
No, there's 4.
Not of these guys.
Oh.
Alright, the He-Man has 4. These guys have 3. Cool. Yes. Alright, look at him. He's so cute, a little corgi. Let's take a quick look here.
We always loved him.
Yeah. So there we go. Look, we've got our Alfie, our Juno, and our Comet all set aside. These guys will stay in the packaging and we'll keep them like that forever. So if we get, and look, and we've got a Juno and a Comet opened. So now we need one more common Alfie. So we have 3 that we can keep nice and 3 that we can play with. Cool. Oh, I wonder what's in the last 4. I guess we'll see in the next video.